this technology contributed to more stable and consistent operation and production?
Well, of course, if you have, the paper making is about the volume, and if you have lower downtime, of course, you have higher production. So if you have higher production, the cost is lower.
So has the use of technology contributed to reduce maintenance costs?
Oh yes, of course. When you have unexpected downtime, sometimes it contributes to, the other machines will also break down. Not just the motors, but also the other machines. No? It might break down because of the unintended shutdown. So now that is eliminated.